Hello friend, today we will discuss about different LED status and their meaning in Sienna 5171. So you can see here, this is a physical view of Sienna 5171. I have already discussed about different modules and different ports in my self view of Sienna 5171 video. Now we will discuss about the different LED status in Sienna 5171. So in this video we will discuss in details for the below LED in Sienna 5171. State, alarm, sync, GNSS LED, power LED, LED for the bits port, RJ45 LEDs for the management and console port, reset button, FRU module, port status LEDs, SFP, SFP plus, SFP28 port LED module. So all the LEDs in this 5171 self we will discuss in detail in the next slides. So state, alarm, sync and GNSS LED. You can see here, this is the you can see here, this is the big picture of this. So this state, this is the GNSS, this is alarm, and this is sync LED. So what does meaning of these LEDs? You can see here, this is the LED's name, this is the indication, and this is the description. So what about the state? So this is the state. You can see here, this is the state LED. So there are three positions, or you can say there are the three conditions of the state indications: off, green, and blinking green. So what does the off meaning? If this state button is off, its meaning indicates an alarm condition. If the state button is green, it means indicates status is normal and this is ready conditions. If the status is in blinking green conditions, the system is initializing and performing self-test. So next is the alarm. So this what this alarm in LED means. So there are two states of this alarm: off and yellow or blinking yellow. So if the alarm state is alarm LED is off, it means indicates normal operation condition. If the alarm LED is yellow or blinking yellow, it means indicates paused, power on self test, failure or port failure, or any other condition. So these are the three conditions in which this alarm LED blinking yellow or blinking yellow. So sync, they are the four conditions of the sync LEDs: off, green, blinking green, and yellow. So when this sync is off, it means the system is in free run mode. If it is green, the system is in normal operation. When system is locked to a synchronization, when the system is locked, any synchronization source like existing input or sync E, it is in green condition. It is the normal condition. If it is blinking green, it means system is acquiring the synchronization. If it is yellow, system is holdover. PLL is holding the system with frequency drift tolerance. GNSS. So if the GNSS LED is off, it means GNSS is disabled or not configured. If it is green, it means it is enabled and locked. If its LED is blinking green, it means it is enabled and locking underway. If it is red, it is enabled and powered button but not locked to the satellite. So power LED, you can see here, this is the power card, this is the power card. These both are the power card. So you can see here there are two LEDs, IP and OP. So there are two conditions of this IP LED and three conditions of this OP LED. So if IP LED is off, it means input power is not present, or it is out of the specified range, or any internal fault occur. So whenever any internal fault occur, or the power is not sufficient, or it is out of range, or the input power is not present, then this IP LED will be off. If it is green, it means the input power is present and it is in defined range or a specified range. What about the OP LED? If OP LED is off, outside power is not present, or it is out of the specified range, or you can say there is internal fault occurred. If it is green, output power is present and it is in the specified range and temperature. If it is red, the output voltage is not present, or it is out of a specified range or locally determined over temperature condition. So if there is a red, there is a danger. It should be, both LED should be in green. If any other LED accept the green, there should be the need to take the cautions. So LEDs for the bits port. You can see here, this is the bits port. You can see here these bits. So bits in. So in the bits port there is in LED, there is a out LED. So there are two conditions of bits in and there are two conditions of bits out. There are three conditions of bits out. So if the bits in this LED is off, it means loss is detected on the received signal or there is no signal is present. Yellow means input signal is receiving. This is good condition. This is preferred LEDs. Bits out, if it is out, port is not provisioned or port is not active. If it is green, the port is provisioned and enabled. Blinking green, the port is in maintenance state. Or if you have provided the loop back, it is in blinking green condition. So RJ45 LED for the management and console port, you can see here this is the RJ45 management and console port. So there are two LEDs here. You can see the link act or SPD. So there are three conditions of link act LED. If this link act LED is off, port is not in operational. If it is green, indicates a valid network connection. If it is blinking green, indicates receive and transmit activity. If there is a SPD, so there are two conditions of SPD, off and yellow. What does it mean by off? The port speed is 10 Mbps or 100 Mbps. Yellow means the port speed is 1000 Mbps, or you can say the 1 Gbps. Reset button. You can see here, this is the reset button. The recommended way to reset the system is by using chassis reboot command. In case the system is locked up and there is no communication by means of serial console or telnet, manual reset is necessary. So this is the note. You can see here, this is the important point. There are two different types of reset: quick reset and hard reset. Quick reset is accomplished by pressing the reset button for less than 3 seconds. A quick reset reboot the 5171 with the current saved configuration. When the reset button is pressed for less than 3 seconds, all the LEDs on the faceplate are lit. Hard reset. Hard reset is accomplished by continuously pressing the reset button for 3 or more seconds. A hard reset is necessary when the quick reset does not work. When the reset button is pressed for more than 3 seconds, all the LEDs on the faceplate illuminate then flash to indicate that the hard reset has been initiated. A hard reset erases the current configuration and restores the 5171 to the factory default setting. So providing hard reset is very means, if it is very important, you should be very careful to provide the hard reset, and you should know everything about the hard reset, that hard reset erases all the current configuration. So you need to back up, or you need to do the necessary savings before doing the hard reset. So these are the difference between quick and hard reset. So FRU module, port status LEDs. You can see these are the two module which is known as the FRU module. These are the LED indication you can see here. So port admin, disable means not present, link status is down, LED state LED off, yellow LED on, it means port admin is disabled, SFP present not present, and the link status is down. If the red LED on, it means port admin is enabled, SFP is not present, the link status is down. There are three conditions of red LEDs. There are three conditions. First, the port admin is if the port admin is enabled, the SFP is not present, the link status is down. It may be the port admin is enabled, the SFP is present, the link status is down. It is enabled, present, and down. If the green LED is on, the port admin is enabled, SFP is present, link status is up. If the green LED is blinking, so it means with traffic. This is without traffic. So when there is a green LED is on, it means The port admin is enabled, the SFP is present, link is up, but the traffic is not running. But when the green LED is blinking, it means all the condition is good and the traffic is running. So this is the most preferred LED. SFP, SFP plus, SFP 28 port LED. You can see here. So the same condition we have already discussed in the previous slide. So there are the same LEDs for this also. If the LED is off, it means not present, linkage status is down. The three condition is for the red LEDs. Green LED means the port admin is enabled, SFP is present, link is up, and the traffic is without traffic. When the green LED is blinking, it means the admin port admin is enabled, SFP present, linkage status is up, and the traffic is running. Thank you.